Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2015 Nissan Altima. Going to start our walk around on the driver's side. Coming right in to take a look at those tires. Great tread there. Just going to be looking for dents, stings, scratches, any imperfections. Really nice gray color with a lot of chrome accents. One little scratch right there behind the gas tank. As we come around to the passenger side, a little bit of paint chipping right there. Looks good, nothing major. Inside the vehicle now, you do get full power for the driver's seat. It's a nice black cloth seating. 38,359 is your current mileage. Got AM, FM, satellite radio, CD, navigation. Everything here is going to be touchscreen. You do get all your climate control functionality just below it there. Push button start, USB, power ports, and then all the flooring is going to be black. Pardon the mess tracked in. Looking in the back seat now, just do a nice slow pan over the seating surface. No signs of rips, tears, or staining back here. You do get rear air control. Good amount of cargo space in the back of the Altima. The seats can be let down from these two pulls here, giving you full pass-through storage into the back seat. Coming in from the passenger side now, there is an integrated armrest back here for a little added comfort. We'll finish up on the passenger side, taking one more look over the seating surface. One more spin around the back. This model also has a sunroof, and that's going to wrap up your 2015 Nissan Altima.